So I thought we'd do a little bit more factoring of polynomials. So I've chosen this cubic. So we have x cubed minus 7x plus 6. So when presented with a cubic, you might think, well, this is kind of hard, and you'd be right. So you want to try to reduce it to something you know how to solve, like a quadratic. So finding a factor of this cubic and taking it out would be ideal. So quite often they will actually give you a cubic which is fairly friendly, because in general cubics are not friendly. So this one's fairly friendly. Why? Because we see that 1, if I let x equal 1, then that will be a root, which means we can factor the linear polynomial x minus 1 out of this larger one. So I'm going to put these extra terms in there. We've got this. So now I need to find a polynomial which, when multiplied by x minus 1, gets me an x cubed term. Well, x squared would be a good one. Get x cubed minus x squared. So now we'll subtract this polynomial from the polynomial above it. Get x squared minus 7x plus 6. So now we need to manufacture an x squared. Well, that's pretty easy. Just use a single x squared minus x. So now we have to subtract this polynomial from the guy above it. So we have minus 7x minus minus x, which is minus 6x. And now finally, we need to manufacture this polynomial down here. And how do we do that? Well, we can multiply this polynomial here by negative 6. And this is exactly what we want. Remainder of 0. So what have we shown? Well, we've shown that x cubed minus 7x plus 6 can be written as x minus 1 times x squared plus x minus 6. And then, of course, we have a 0 remainder here, but we don't need to include that. Now, we can factor this quadratic equation, this guy here, even further by looking at the constant term and realizing that, okay, let's look for factors of negative 6 that add up to 1. Well, I can think of positive 3 and negative 2. So let's put those in. So positive 3 and negative 2. And that's it. So we've factorized this cubic, and we've found all 3 roots, and hence all 3 linear factors that will go into this cubic.